Hello everybody, this is Nate over at Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota. It's a gorgeous day outside, beautiful day out here. So I wanted to get this video out on a brand new 26 Grand Design Imagine 21MBE. Stats are gonna pop up at the beginning of the video here, so feel free to pause and get a little bit more information. So we'll take you around the outside, get you on the inside. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. So like I said, this is a 21MBE, so you'll see the Imagine, the XLS logo here. And then of course, standard, you'll have your power tongue jack with your light up on top there. You can see we got old Trusty out today to give us some power, 220-pound propane tanks, and in the back you'll have the spot for the battery. Now the battery is installed and the propane is filled at the time of purchase, so you don't got to worry about any expenses there. So this does have a slide out on it, so we'll get a view of the side here. Coming forward to look at the pass-through storage. So a lot to work with there with your TPMS sensor. Battery disconnect is going to be in here as well. Your solar charge controller, because this unit does have solar to trickle charge that battery. GFCI outlets, cable attachments, outdoor showers, everything that you're going to need in one convenient location. Moving on down. We'll get a look at the gray tank, black tank. Again, everything nice and neat for you to do your own maintenance. Coming around to the rear, so you'll have your ladder to get up on your roof to clean out any debris on that slide. Moving forward, our 30 amp service plug-in. Hot water heater and furnace are going to be back here as well, but moving back up for a second there, you actually do have a spot for your backup camera, so you can outfit this with a backup camera to make parking this a lot easier. Coming on down, you'll have the hitch from the factory, which is maximum load capacity of 250 pounds. Coming back over to the other side here, so you do have a large power awning, little outdoor kitchen setup here, and then your spray port. So if you want to hook up, your hose out here to spray off the dog after a muddy day, you can do that. But nice little mini fridge there if you want to have your favorite drink. This is a double axle unit. And of course, we will have some cable attachments out here too as well. Moving on over to the other side of the pass-through storage. This unit is prepped for an inverter, and there's that nozzle for that hose that I was talking about. Moving on in, nice large grab handle. So this is a Murphy bed setup, so I'm kind of going to start over on this side. So for privacy, you don't have the, you don't have the door to kind of, sanction yourself off, I guess, but you do have the curtain. So this is kind of like if you're not looking for that massive unit, that you might be afraid to haul or anything like that. This is a perfect size. So starting off, you got some storage drawers down below. To get the bed down, oops, I'm sorry. This is the fold over. So you can just fold that over, release the lock, pull down the bed. So moving on forward, so you do have your lights here, and then you do have device charging. You actually have a little bit of space in there to put your devices or a smaller CPAP machine, things like that. You've got some storage on the inside. It's actually odd to see the power cord in there and not in the pass-through storage, but you'll have your Grand Design owner's manual in there, so everything you'll need to learn about this unit is going to be in there. A little bit more storage, and as I take a step back, you actually have another outlet sitting down below, and then your fire extinguisher sitting right here. Another outlet right there. And then the storage drawers are going to be the exact same on the opposite side here. So some clothes storage. I'm not sure if I opened it on that side or not. And then you'll have that same storage drawer and some more device charging outlets down below. So a lot of device charging for the adults that are sleeping in this bed here, so you can charge your laptops, your phones, all the fun stuff. Oops. Take a look at the fridge and freezer for you. And then turning around, so we'll have our air conditioner up above our head, our smoke detector, and this does come with the JBL sound system. So if you're bumping your tunes outside, it's just a quick connection via Bluetooth. Smart TCL TV right in front of me. And then, so you'll have some storage for your soft close cabinet drawers, and then a lot of counter space here for the kitchen. So we'll go over some of the drawers. I get a lot of hate in the comments saying, why do you open up every single drawer? Well, so you can visualize and see what you're going to be putting in here. And then when you come and see me in person to view this unit, you're going to be opening up every storage drawer. So that's why I do it. Some videos I don't, but most of the videos I do. So apologies in advance if it's too long. If it's too long, you're more than welcome to click away. So we'll take a look at the sink, 3-burner cooktop. It's funny. This is your oven. Just kidding. That's your oven right there. Cook your favorite pizza. Lots of storage down below. And then this is new. This is actually plumbing system and winterizing sanitizing instructions. So odd place to put it, but pretty cool to see. Feel free to pause and get a little bit more information on that if you're looking into this unit. We'll take a look at the microwave. A little bit of storage cubbies off to the side here. Fuse relay box is going to be down below that. And then you will have your bunks. So if you do have grandkids, kids, friends, they got larger bunks on this, not your standard teddy bear twins. So we have our double over doubles. And then you also have a little bit of storage down below if you choose to use it as such. Taking a look at the bathroom. Now the bathroom's actually a little bit larger. So, I mean, I could fit in here just fine. So you got a lot of counter space for the bathroom here. A lot of storage down below for toilet paper, washcloths, towels. A little bit more storage on the inside. A little bit more storage for the medicine cabinet there. I was going to say on the medicine cabinet, but that doesn't make any sense. A little place for towels, lights, a little bit more storage down here. Porcelain foot flush toilet. And then doing the shower test here. My head, yes, it kind of sticks over this, but again, you're not spending 7 days a week, 24 hours a day in the shower, so I got plenty of room with the skylight up above my head. So just doing one final overview of this unit here. Actually, you know what? I didn't even cover the dinette. So you have your U-shaped dinette with some large windows, exit windows, letting a lot of natural light in. And this whole unit here is going to be your slide. But for friends and family, you got plenty of room in the dinette there, which also converts down to a bed. But I've done this before in some of my videos, so I'll just have my cameraman kind of hover over some of the Imagine warranty. You know, that's big on these units. So we'll hover over some of that. Feel free to pause and get more information on that as well. So again, Murphy setup, bunkhouse setup, a smaller unit, nothing too big, but actually a lot of versatility. This unit offers a lot of camping adventure and a lot of memories to be made. So my name's Nate over at Bullion RV. That's going to do it for this video. All of my information is going to be in the description box down below. So feel free to call me, email me, text me. I'm more than happy to help answer any questions, as well as set up an appointment for anyone who's watching this video. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Once again, this is Nate over at Bullion RV. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.